So let's proceed about the skills you must have to succeed in selling. Laging tatandaan yung word na C. S stands for sincerity. Listen without an agenda. It's not about your needs. It's all about the customers. So, next is E. Ibig sabihin ay ethics. Yung ethics, don't try to talk someone into something. Listen to what they need and wants. The third is A. Ibig sabihin, asking. Serve others by asking questions that will assist them in making a wise buying decisions. So, sa'yo depende para magkaroon sila ng wise buying decisions. So, the great salespeople are relationship builders who provide value and help their customer win. Ito yung sinabi ni Jeffrey Gitomer. Win-win situations.